Samsung made big waves in the tech world with the launch of its flagship device, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It was a game changer, introducing artificial intelligence to smartphones for the first time. This groundbreaking move set a new standard in the industry, leaving competitors scrambling to keep up. But Samsung isn't resting yet. The tech giant is still on a mission to push the boundaries and bring the most powerful phone ever made to the market. We've been eagerly anticipating a bigger battery size to handle all the heavy tasks without constantly worrying about running out of battery life. However, Samsung seems to have a different plan in mind. They're determined to keep the S25 Ultra design the same as its predecessor, the S24 Ultra, so don't expect a physical increase in battery size. But wait, thanks to the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with its superior AI capabilities, Samsung is introducing battery AI. This exciting technology has the potential to completely revolutionize battery performance, offering a potential boost of up to 10% without increasing the physical size of the battery or sacrificing CPU or GPU performance. It's truly remarkable how AI is reshaping the world around us, making everything more efficient and effective. Speaking of battery upgrades, we're all accustomed to expecting faster charging with each flagship release. However, the S25 series might stick with the 45-watt fast-charging standard. This might disappoint many users, because we need at least 100-watt fast charging to match the pace of our busy lives. But wait, let's not lose hope just yet. Samsung is known for its surprises, and they may just pull something out of the bag to surprise us all. So, fingers crossed for some last-minute revelations. Moving ahead, rumor has it that the S25 series could mark the end of Samsung's collaboration with AMD for GPUs. Instead, Samsung might be venturing into developing their own GPUs, starting from the S26 series in 2026. While the collaboration with AMD didn't yield the expected results, this shift opens up possibilities for Samsung to redefine mobile graphics. Talking about the display. Early rumors suggest that the S25 Ultra might sport a record-breaking bright screen with up to 3,000 nits. But remember, it's still early days. As for the camera, speculation points towards Samsung sticking with the same main camera sensor as the S24 Ultra, but with added optimizations and enhancements. However, rumor has it that Samsung is gearing up to boost the ultra-wide-angle sensor from 12 megapixels to a whopping 50 megapixels. So, get ready to capture every detail with stunning clarity. Exciting times lie ahead for Samsung fans. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates by subscribing to our channel. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.